how to find element using tag name. So let's start. Here we are. I am navigated to google.com and I will inspect this part. Right click here, click on inspect. Just double click here. Move your cursor over here, Gmail. You can see this part is sorry. Again we will do. You can see this part is highlighted. So here the tag is A. So now we'll go in Eclipse. Here I have already mentioned everything that I have set the property of Chrome driver and driver.get so that it will navigate it to the google.com and it will maximize the window. So now I will write driver dot find element by dot tag name so that it will find the element using the tag name. The tag name is A and I want to click that. Click there. So yeah. So it will be in double inverted comma. Just run this. Yeah, you will see this maximize. Yeah. So it is working. As you can see, it had clicked on Gmail and this page is open. So you can see here, this image is also having the tag name as A, and this is also having tag name A. So if I am giving tag name A, why it is clicking on Gmail not on image? Because it will click on the element which it will, means which they will get first. So it is getting the element A as first, Gmail as first. So it will click on Gmail. So you can see that what you need to see here, that what is the difference between both of this. So here both of them are having the same tag name, that is AA. Class name is also same. Uh, then URL is different, yeah, and the text is different. So using the tag name, you can make a XPath which will be used only for that particular GUI element. So the tag name is A. You write a square bracket at the rate. Now here the class name is same. See, so I am not using the class name. I will use the text, or I can also use this link. But for now I am using the text name. So just copy the text. In the text you should not write at the rate sign. Paste it here. You can see one of one. Okay. Similarly, here also, if you want to click on image, you want the image XPath. So in the place of Gmail, you need to paste the image text. Okay. So if you will just give the tag name as A, it will always click the element which it will get the first. So if there is class and ID, you need to use that instead of using the tag. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.